Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to look at the steps to install Office 365 from your Durham College student account onto a Windows computer. The following steps to install Office may change at some point, but should be relatively the same. Students enrolled in post-secondary education in Ontario typically have access to Office 365 for free and do not need to purchase their own subscription. You can use Microsoft Office on the web, or you can install it directly on your computer. You may already have an older version of Office installed, which may be easier to update. Also, if you already have Office 365 installed, you should be able to sign in with your DC credentials to enable your student license. To get started, let's see if Office is already installed on your computer. Click the Windows key on your taskbar, or press the Windows key on your keyboard and search for Word. In my case, Word is pinned to the Start menu. You can update Office through any Office application. I'm using Word, but you can use Excel, PowerPoint, etc. If you see the application, it's already installed on your computer, and you can try signing in and updating rather than a full install. Open the application by clicking the icon or pressing the Enter key. My version is currently the LTSC version. 2019 is also common. Either way, we can try signing in and updating. I'm being prompted to sign in order to activate Office. You may already be signed in with a personal Office account, in which case you would navigate to the profile at the top right and select Add an Account. If you are not yet signed in, click Sign in or Create Account and enter your Durham College credentials. Complete the two-step verification process. It's up to you to sign in to the other Office applications, but I would recommend doing so. If you happen to see this "Something went wrong" message, disregard and click Continue. This is, unfortunately, a common error that most students will see and can be ignored. Ideally, you should see the "You're all set" message, and you can click Done. But either message means you are now signed in with your Durham College account, and you might see any existing documents in the Home or Recent section at the bottom if you've already been using your account on the web or another computer. Navigate to your account settings at the bottom left. Here you can verify that you are signed in, check your version of Office, as well as any available updates, by selecting the Update Options button and clicking Update Now. Generally, you can update Office this way. But if the specific version installed on your computer happens to be too outdated to update to 365, and you want the benefits of the newest updates and features of Office, you will need to perform a full install from your Durham College account, which we will be looking at next. As indicated in this message, the updates were successfully installed, and your Office applications should now be up to date. Now let's look at installing Microsoft Office 365 from your student account. Open your web browser and type office.com in the URL. Click the Sign In button and enter your Durham College email and password. Now, complete the two-step verification process. The Microsoft Authenticator is the easiest method to use. It only requires 2 digits instead of 6 when authenticating. It's more secure. It also works with Wi-Fi as well as cellular, so you are more likely to have a connection when required to authenticate. Next, click the Apps button on the left side panel and navigate to the blue Install Apps button at the top right and select Microsoft 365 Apps. Click Install Office and open the installation file from your browser or your Downloads folder. Portions of this video have been sped up to save time, but once the installation has completed and you accept the license agreement, you should now have full access to Office 365 on your Windows computer.